Every mortgage broker knows this feeling. You ask for documents and the borrower says, "I have sent everything." But when you check your inbox or your WhatsApp or your text messages, the reality is far from complete. Documents arrive in fragments across email, WhatsApp, and mobile uploads. Scanned PDFs with no text, random file names, and older versions mixed with the new. It's a logistical puzzle that stops your review before it can even begin. Someone on your team has to organize it all, rename the files, identify what's missing, and clarify inconsistencies. This isn't high-value credit work, it's low-value admin, and it's consuming your team's most valuable hours. Hi, I'm Michael Harris. As a broker principal in Australia, I look at the real cost of this manual administration and how it impacts the bottom line. Let's talk about team efficiency. In Australia, skilled support staff are a significant investment. If my team is spending their day sorting documents and checking file names, that has a very real cost to the bottom line of my brokerage. I want my team focused on the parts of the job that require human judgment: strategy, policy, and client service. Before LAAVA, they had to clean the folder and check readability manually. It was necessary, but incredibly repetitive. This repetitive prep work shouldn't be the bottleneck in our submission process. We need our specialists doing specialist work, not basic data entry and document triage. That's a waste of talent and capital. LAAVA gives us a more organized starting point. It handles the classification, the readability checks, and the cross-document comparisons automatically. It's like having an extra pair of eyes that never gets tired. The submission readiness memo is a game changer. It gives us a clear summary and highlights priorities. We know exactly where to focus our human review, ensuring nothing obvious is missed before it goes to the lender. It doesn't replace my team. It empowers them. Because the admin is handled, more time goes to file decisions and meaningful client conversations. That's how we grow the business without just adding more overhead. When you look at brokerage operations, the high cost of support, and the bottleneck of manual file preparation, the value of automation is clear. Broker teams are spending far too much time on repetitive prep. LAAVA is built to bridge that gap and streamline your pre-submission workflow, turning admin time into growth time. LAAVA organizes your case packages, identifies missing or inconsistent information, checks document readability, and surfaces technical review prompts for your team's expert attention. It's important to be clear, LAAVA does not provide credit advice, does not approve or decline loans, and does not certify document authenticity. It is a tool for human review and preparation. LAAVA is designed to reduce that low-value admin, giving your team a cleaner, more organized starting point before lender submission. It's about working smarter, not harder. If your team is losing hours to sorting borrower documents and manual checks, LAAVA was built for you. It's time to refocus on the parts of your business that actually drive value. Support your workflow and reclaim your team's time. Start your journey today and register at laava.com.au. Based on real broker feedback, AI presenters used for visual storytelling, names and scenes are dramatized,